In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Webull to Tradingview and what's actually possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, let's clear this up. You cannot directly connect Webull to Tradingview for live trading. Webull is not currently supported in Tradingview's broker integration list, but you can still use both platforms together. Start by opening Tradingview and using it for chart analysis. Add indicators, draw trend lines, and plan your trades using its powerful tools. Once your analysis is ready, switch over to Webull and place your trade there manually using the same setup. This is the most common workflow traders use when a broker isn't integrated with Tradingview. Now, if you open the trading panel in Tradingview and search for Webull, you won't find it listed. That simply confirms it's not supported at the moment. So, the best approach is simple. Use Tradingview for analysis and Webull for execution. That's it. Even without direct integration, you can still combine both platforms effectively in your trading routine. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.